Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to use remotely on Steam in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, open your account or the Steam web application, and after that you log in your account. So if you're using a MacBook, you can go to the upper left corner and you will see the Apple icon. Beside that, there's a Steam menu. Click that one and go to the preferences to open the Steam settings. Okay. So after that guys, you just have to look for the remote play. Here is it. So you can enable a remote play here. So after enabling here, you can also change settings here, host advanced options, and etc. So ex- you just have to add this one and go to your library and select any games that you wanted to play remotely. So let's say for example you already installed this one. So after that guys, there's a arrow here. You can actually stream on it and you can actually play on it remotely. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you learn and enjoy from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Steam. Thank you.